Hello, it's Ash with Gemlux Engineering, here today to talk about our new Dredge pulleys. We've got two new pulleys we've released this year that we're very excited to share some information with you about. The Dredge pulleys that are currently on the market from competitors are pretty low tech and they've been used for a while, but they have a lot of issues. One of the issues is that the braid gets caught between the pulley body and the pulley sheave, and the other is that the braid wears into the pulley sheave, and you've got the pulley sheave will get caught and snagged, and that will make the braid break, and then you lose your dredge, which is very bad. So to address these problems, we've rolled out this pulley for use on the outrigger or for the use on the dredge boom. The advantages of this pulley, in a nutshell, is that it improves your braid life because it eliminates braid wear. You've got a really smooth pulley. This ball bearing is immune to corrosion, and it's very smooth, and it means that you won't have any slippage of the braid on the sheave. On top of that, the sheave is made of a very hard ceramic material, which means that the braid won't wear into the sheave either, which is a common problem with plastic sheave pulleys. So we've eliminated those two big problems that the pulleys on the outrigger have, with some interesting design of the shape and of course of the material selection. On top of that, to eliminate the problem where the pulley gets wrapped up, rotates around the swivel multiple times and get the braid tangled around itself, we've got this limited swivel strap. So this strap functions as a swivel, but it can only turn a little bit before it will recenter itself. And it's also very high strength. So we pull tested this to 1,400 pounds, which is well above what you'll need for pulling your dredge. It also is easy to remove. Pull it off like that. It has a snatch block design, so you can get the braid on and off easily. And you can put it back together. So we're very proud of this. If you don't like the strap, of course, it's easy to remove and you can still use a traditional swivel if you'd like, but we really like the strap and we find that works quite well. And of course, is immune to corrosion as well. Some feedback we got from this pulley is that people wanted something similar they could use submerged in front of the dredge. Now, this pulley is okay, but it's kind of large to use underwater. So we developed this one, which is smaller. This is a 32 millimeter size. Now, on top of being a little bit smaller, a little bit lower drag shape, it still has the same design with the ceramic sheave, very high hardness, resistant to the braid wear, and also can't get snagged between the body and the sheave, so we eliminate the snagging problem. But on top of that, we've used a titanium body for this one, so that you completely eliminate any corrosion issues of the body underwater, even if it's getting hit with debris in the water in front of the dredge. Again, I've got the braid here to demonstrate that it can't get caught. Likewise, this one has a snatch block design. So you can take the braid on and off. And then per the mate's feedback, we've got the shackle with the tab on it, so you can really crank down on this with some pliers if you'd like. So we've got a titanium bolt, titanium cast body, and then also we've got the ceramic sheave, so a completely non-ferrous design on this, which means that you won't have any rust on this no matter how many hours you pull it from the dredge. And we can expect both of these to really be lifetime parts versus the consumables you're used to using now that you have to replace every season. Really want to be able to give you the ability to fish multiple tournaments, a whole season, etc., and not have to worry about these. It's something that you can just use over and over again, and it doesn't have to be part of your consumable replacement and maintenance program. So we're looking to give back some time to the mates and the captains with a better, more reliable product.